If you need to remove and replace the cabin air conditioning filter on a Golf MK7, check out this video. Hi guys, welcome back to another Ross Perry Productions video, and welcome back to another video on the lovely 2015 Golf GTI MK7. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the cabin air conditioning filter, but this process will actually be the same on any Golf MK7 with air conditioning. Now it's going to be nice and simple, and we are doing this over the passenger side, so whichever side your passenger sits on will be the side this is, because we need to go inside the glove box. So just coming down into the footwell here of the passenger side and open up your glove box fully. Now this is a bit tricky to do one-handed, but there's actually a tab just there. You can see that bump, and there's one over that side as well. So what we're going to need to do is just squeeze that in and put some pressure on the glove box, and then do the same on the other side. Like I say, it is a little bit hard to do one-handed, and then that actually falls out of that slot there, so we're going to make sure that goes back in after. So after we've got this down, we can actually see our cabin fuse box there, and we've got this black cover plate here with hexagons on. So that's actually where our cabin air conditioning filter is hidden. So it's just got 3 tabs along the top, so you're just going to push them down, and then you can actually rotate that cover off like that. And that allows us to see our cabin air conditioning filter. So it does have a tab in the middle there, and you can just give that a bit of a pull. Now you'll notice it is just hitting that plastic, but you have got enough wiggle room just to slide that to the side. So another thing to point out, there is an arrow, and whilst it says up, it's pointing down, and that's actually showing us our airflow. So this is how this one come off the car, so I'm assuming the airflow is going down. So this is a relatively new filter. I believe this was replaced quite recently, so we don't need to do anything with that, but you can go ahead and just blow out any debris in there, obviously get a new one. And to replace the filter, it's much the same but in reverse. So we're just going to push it over to the right hand side and slide that in, making sure we put it in the same orientation it was when it come out. And also I like to just make sure that that tab is flicked out just for when you next remove it. We're then going to get our cover plate and line that back up. Looks like the middle bracket there is all in. And just push it till each one of them clicks, and then it's nice and simple to get the glove box up. We are just going to have to line that up on the left hand side. Like I say, a bit hard to do one-handed. Let me do it with my left hand, that might help me. Yep, nice and simple then. And then all you're going to do is just push it up till it clicks, and now that's locked back in. There you go, nice quick simple video for you today. If you found that video helpful, please do go ahead, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.